Hey Urban Gardeners, I wanted to take a moment here and thank you all so much for your support. The Urban Gardener channel here on YouTube is about to pass up 8,000 subscribers. 8,000 of you have decided to hit that subscribe button down below and follow along with me and all of my garden adventures here on the Urban Gardener. But today I also wanted to let you know about another project that I got started a couple of weeks ago so that I could have just a little more of a personal outlet here on YouTube. It's called Enoch Vlogs. Now, right down in the description below, I've put a link for you to go to and go over and hit the subscribe button on that channel there and follow along with me with some different adventures that I've got going on there too. Really appreciate all of your support. I look forward to seeing you on my vlogs.